Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly sweets. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You will need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and your favorite fruit juice. Make sure you also have a sturdy saucepan, a whisk, and some fun candy molds. Preparing your workspace beforehand ensures a smooth and enjoyable process from start to finish. This initial step is crucial for success. Now, let's move on to the mixing and heating. Begin by blooming your unflavored gelatin in about 1/4 cup of cold water for 5 minutes. This softens it. Next, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of fruit juice, and the bloomed gelatin in a saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk until all the sugar and gelatin are completely dissolved. Do not let it boil. Once your mixture is smooth and clear, it is time for flavoring and pouring. Remove the saucepan from the heat. You can now stir in any desired flavorings, such as a few drops of fruit extract or a touch of food coloring, to customize your sweets. Carefully pour the warm liquid jelly into your prepared candy molds. Fill them almost to the top. Then, refrigerate the molds for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing the sweets to set firmly. Finally, let's talk about demolding and enjoying your delicious creations. Once the jelly sweets are completely firm, gently pop them out of their molds. You might need to slightly flex the molds to release them. For an extra touch, you can lightly dust the finished sweets with a bit of granulated sugar. Store your homemade jelly sweets in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their freshness and chewiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.